Just now you have seen a rocket has been launched. You know, the character of rocket and character of human beings are almost similar, because unless and otherwise you put fire, rocket will not move. Similarly, जब तक हम लोगों का पिछोरा में आग नहीं लगता है, तब तक हम लोग भागते नहीं हैं डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ. Those who are new to my channel, for them, let me give my brief introduction. I am Anutoshh Bhakta, professor, life skill coach and nutritionist. So far, I have made many videos on the life skills. I, being a nutritionist, I have received many requests that why I am not making the videos on health a diet. Especially the request I have received on a weight loss a diet. So that is the reason I thought my next few videos will be on health a diet. So आज का video will be on weight loss diet. Now this diet I have been crafted with the inspiration from a world renowned research which is known as a China study by T. Collins Campbell. So I have been inspired from that China study research, and I can guarantee you, because this diet I have applied on myself, so I can guarantee you that if you follow this diet religiously, please mind that, then I can guarantee that you will be able to lose at least 5 kgs in 15 days, if not more. चलिए शुरू करते हैं लाइफ चेंजिंग चैनल कौन बनेगा काबिल. Now today's topic is guaranteed weight loss diet. Now in this topic we'll be discussing 3 points. Number 1, what we should not eat. Number 2, what we should eat and what should be the quantity. And number 3, few extra activities which we will have to perform within this 15 days time. So the first point is what food we cannot eat. Now after seeing this, I will request all of you pause the video for 30 seconds and think very sincerely and ask a question that do I have the willpower to avoid this food? Do I have that fire in me to avoid this food? If the answer is yes, then continue. And if the answer is no, I will request leave the video right now. Now let us see what are the food which we cannot eat. Animal food, that is meat, chicken, eggs, fish, then milk and milk product, that is milk, ice cream, paneer and the sweets. Next is your packed food, that is bread, Maggi, okay, namkeen, then biscuits, then processed food like burger, pizza, okay, rolls, chow mein, etc. And no tea please. And next is no supplements, that is your vitamins and mineral tablets, protein powder, Horlicks, Boost, etc., Complain, etc. No sweet, no sugar, no sugar free. If you feel that you cannot avoid sugar, then instead of sugar or sugar free, I will suggest that you use honey. Now point number 2. Point number 2 is what we should eat in this weight loss diet. Now it is divided into 4 steps. That means breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. Now in the breakfast, you will have to take any 4 kinds of fruits, seasonal fruits of your choice. These fruits you will be taking till 12 noon. Now how much you have to take? Your body weight into 10 grams. For example, if your body weight is 80 kgs, then 80 into 10, that is 800 grams. But that should be the edible one, not with the skin. The edible 800 grams, that is the minimum quantity you need to take. You can take more. If you can take more, but minimum will be 800 grams because your body weight is 80 kgs. So till 12 noon, only fruits. Please remember, don't take any bed tea, not even the green tea. Now if you feel that you cannot eat that much of fruits at one go, no problem. Take in 2 times, in 3 times, but till 12, you have to take only fruits, nothing else. Okay, let me give you some example. You'll have to take 2 meals in the lunch. सुनने में थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है ना? But you'll have to take 2 meals. Now I'll tell you what is these 2 meals. The meal 1, you will have to take any 4 vegetables. Any 4 vegetables which can be eaten raw. I'll give you some example like cucumber, tomato, okay, radish, okay, carrots, etc. Now how much you have to take? You will have to take your body weight into 5 in grams. That means if your body weight is 80 kg, that means 80 into 5, that is 400 grams of raw vegetables. Now, before taking this raw vegetables, just before that, in meal number 1, you have to add some green leaves. Like you can take coriander leaves, dhania patta, you can take pudina patta, okay, mint leaves, you can take pan patta, whatever is your choice. How much you will be taking? You will be taking as per your body weight into grams. That means your body weight is 80 kg, so you will be taking 80 grams of dhania patta, pudina patta, pan patta, whatever, either 1, 2 or 3, but total weight will be 80 grams. Then go for this 4 kinds of seasonal vegetables. That is your meal 1. Now after that, you give a break of 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, you take meal 2. Now what is this meal 2? Meal 2 means आपका घर का vegetarian food. घर का vegetarian food, that is home cooked vegetarian food with less oil and less you must be thinking, अगर इतना कच्चा सब्जी खा लिया तो मील टू खाने का तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता है, पेट तो भर जाएगा. Now let me tell you, first 2-3 days, of course, you won't be able to eat the vegetarian food, घर का बना हुआ food, in much quantity, because आपका पेट भर जाएगा. But believe me, that after 3-4 days, your metabolism rate will be rectified, will be fine-tuned, and you will be able to eat more घर का खाना. पहले जितना खाते थे, आप देखोगे शायद उससे भी ज्यादा आप खा पाओगे. Okay, so this is your lunch. Number 3, that means your evening snacks. In the evening snacks, what you will eat? You can eat sprouts, you can eat almonds. अगर almonds आपको ज़्यादा costly लग रहा है, you can have peanuts, you can have coconut, whatever. Okay, as per your appetite. अपना जितना खा सकते हो, right? And if you wish to have fruits also, you can have fruits also in the evening snacks. Now almonds or peanuts और स्प्राउट्स आपको कितना खाना है? से एक मुट्ठी भर आप आलमंड्स ले लीजिए, नहीं तो मुट्ठी भर पीनट्स ले लीजिए, थोड़ा सा छोटा बोल स्प्राउट्स ले लीजिए. ओके, आप जितना खा सकते हो खा लीजिए. नाउ इन द डिनर you will have to repeat the same as your lunch. That means in the dinner also you have to take 2 meals. Meal 1, that is what you have taken in the lunch, 4 vegetables which can be eaten raw. Okay, meal 2 is आपका घर का खाना. Okay, घर का vegetarian food. But there is a little difference in the dinner. In the dinner, you do not have to take the green leaves. Okay, green leaves का कोटा आपका lunch में ही पूरा हो गया. So in the dinner, meal 1, give a gap of 10 minutes, then take meal 2, but there is a condition. Dinner, try to finish your dinner by 7 p.m. अगर नहीं होता, maximum 8 p.m. After 8, don't eat anything. There is a valid reason for that. Okay, there is a scientific reason for that. Okay, which is known as autophagy. That we'll discuss in some other episode. What is autophagy? And you will have to sleep maximum by 10 p.m. Right? So this is your whole day meal. In past, I have the experience that many people has asked me, so you are talking about meal 1 and meal 2. So can I have meal 2 first, then meal 1? No, you cannot. First you have to have meal 1 followed by meal 2. दोनों ही लेना है, लेकिन पहले meal 1, then only meal 2. Is it clear? Then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. Third point, some extra activities we will have to perform during the day. Let us see what are these extra activities. 30 minutes free hand exercise or 30 minutes brisk walk. 30 minutes sun bath, which is very essential. At least 3 liters of water per day. Sleep by 10 p.m. and wake up by 6 a.m. So in this video, we have discussed 15 days, 5 kgs guaranteed weight loss diet. So what was our learning? Number 1, we have learned that what food we should not take, we should avoid. Number 2, what food we should take and what will be the quantity. And number 3, few daily activities which we need to perform. Some of you must be thinking that in this diet, ये कैसे diet है भाई? नो एनिमल प्रोटीन, नो मिल्क, तो प्रोटीन कहां से मिलेगा, कैल्शियम कहां से मिलेगा, मिनरल्स कहां से मिलेगा? So I will tell all these in my next video, that in this guaranteed weight loss diet as per the FDA आपको डेली रिक्वायरमेंट कैसे मिलता है और क्यों मिलता है. सो जुनून का आग लगाओ और मोटापा भगाओ. ये एपिसोड आपको कैसे लगी कमेंट्स करके जरूर बताना, हम इंतजार में रहेंगे. और those who will be using this diet, I am sure they will be getting the tremendous effect. So I request them after 15 days ये फिर से वीडियो खोलिए और कमेंट जरूर कीजिए आपका रिजल्ट के बारे में, so that everybody others will also be inspired from you. तब तक खुश रहिए, खुशी बांटते रहिए और स्वस्थ रहिए. धन्यवाद.